Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another color of the week video and I will be painting my nails purple. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. So I will start by applying my base coat. As I said on my previous color of the week video, this base coat is by Flormar and it has a purple color but it dries clear. This is the most important step when doing your nails. And now I will be painting my nails with this purple color by Kiko. This is the 332 Dark Violet. So I chose this color because in my previous color of the week video I asked you which was your favorite color to paint your nails, and one of my subscribers and nails of interest said it was purple. Actually I was going to choose a lighter purple or a lilac color, but then I looked at this color and I thought, yeah, it's going to be this purple color. Let me know your favorite color so I can get some inspiration for the next color of the week video. Oh, by the way, sorry for not uploading this video last week, but I couldn't edit it, so I'm uploading today. Now I am applying the second coat of this color. Usually I only apply 2 coats of any color when I'm painting my nails. Let me share something with you. When I started my YouTube channel, I wanted to have a gaming channel, but because of the copyrights and that things, I decided to have a nail art and DIY channel because it's something that I really enjoy. Let me know what you enjoy besides nail art. Do you have a hobby or something? Now that my nails are painted and dried, I will be applying my top coat by Cien. Feel free to ask me any question related to nails or DIY so I can answer in my next color of the week video. If you have a nail art or a DIY request, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe, and I see you in my next video.